Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crafty Mua. Quite a lot of people use cooker for preparing rice, but today I am going to tell you how to prepare rice in a microwave. Yes my friends, rice is cooked very easily and instantly in microwave and you don't have to worry about the number of whistles. I am going to use basmati long grained rice to prepare rice. This looks very good if you want to prepare biryani or fried rice. Take 1 cup of rice which will be sufficient for 2 to 3 people. Add this rice to the microwave friendly plate. Now using the same cup, add 2 cups of water. Let the rice soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of butter. Mix it well and place the container in microwave. Microwave it for just 10 minutes at maximum power. As we can see, our rice is cooked. I'll scratch it with a fork to show you that the rice is cooked very nicely. The grains have fully grown. This is the easiest method to prepare rice. Do let me know in the comment section if you liked my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.